my name is Anne, a Vine Cakes for Tacos. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Thank you for following us. We love your comments. We love the feedbacks we're getting from you. Thank you so much. And if you're a new subscriber, please don't forget to turn on the notification bell, okay? So that you get notification on all our new videos. And today's class, I'm going to teach you something new. I'm having a beginner's class right here in my studio, and I'm teaching them how to bake without an oven as well. And to do this, all you need is a clean, dry pot. Okay, so I have one pot here, the glass with a glass cover. Although this is not a standard specification, you can use any pot that you have, okay? But just make sure it's clean and dry. And when I started doing this, I actually got a pot for that purpose. I was not using my regular cooking pot because I don't want a situation where you're baking and then the smell of your pepper and all the ingredients is oozing into the cake. All right? So to do this, I get a clean pot, dry it, and then I get something metal. I don't use sand. Some people use sand, but I don't encourage that. I prefer to use heat conductors, like something like a metal object, okay? So I'm going to use this. You can use anything that you have. Why I'm using this is because the base of my cake is not so wide. I'm using a size 6-inch cake, so this is fine. I will just position it at the middle of my pot, and then I have my batter in the pan already, and then I'll place it on it, and then I'll cover it. So this is perfect, and then I just put it on low heat. You can put this on a stove if you don't have a gas, but I'm going to do this on a gas. So this method cooks very fast and comes out really clean. We are going to see the outcome after now, right? So stay with me. Okay, our cake is in the pot on the oven. You can use a stove like I said, but I'm using a gas. So if you don't have a gas, a stove is perfect. Okay? Any cooking pot is okay so long as it is clean. Our cake is ready. Wow, you can see it's ready. It's nice and fluffy, as you can see, very creamy. Yeah, very creamy and fluffy. You can see it's so nice and fluffy. You can actually do this at home using your pots. So we're going to open it up to see what it looks like. Wow, this looks really nice. Really nice. Okay? All right. You can see it's fluffy. All right. Thank you very much for watching. Okay? I hope you try this at home and give me your feedback. Thank you.